Today I'm doing the brake pads of the Daihatsu Kuore or Charade, and this is now the last time when I bought these things, they gave to me without these clips. So at least lucky I see here is a packet and these clips are included. Supposed to be 2 packets. Where the other one? You see, only one. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, these are the clips. I just loosen this bolt now. This bolt. There's 2 bolts here, and in order, what I did, I put the screwdriver in here. I use my thing here, and just get the space here, and then afterwards I put the screwdriver in here, and just bring this part a little bit forward. I open up this valve here a little bit. I open up this little nipple just to open it, so when I do this, and then it doesn't stay firm, it's at least it will release. So now this thing is a bit loose. Now I can take it off. I'm going to screw it off now, and okay, this is like that. Okay, this needs to be pushed back a bit. I'm gonna take out this. Look at it, it's done, finished. And this is the other one. Where's the other one? The other one is here. Look at it. Look at the shape of it. I'll push this back a little bit, and now I'm going to remove this thing off of here. this thing. This thing goes like this. This is how it goes.